With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is define chemical bond. So what is a chemical bond? A chemical bond is nothing but a force of attraction between atoms, molecules, or ions that holds it together, right? A bond is formed between two or more atoms or molecules or ions. So this bond is actually the force of attraction that keeps the atoms, molecules, or ions together, right? Chemical bond is represented by a single line, right? It is represented by a line, a straight line, not a single line. We say that it is represented by a straight line, right? So it is represented by a straight line. In reality, no such line exists. In reality, there are the forces of attractions between these atoms and molecules that keeps them together, that holds them together, right? In reality, a force exists between them. So to represent that force, it is represented by a single line, right? And there are two broad categories of a chemical bond, right? There can be two broad categories, like the type of bonds, which can be a covalent bond or an ionic bond, right? A covalent chemical bond is formed by the sharing of electrons, whereas an ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons, right? For example, a bond formed between, you can say, methane, which is CH4, is a covalent bond. The carbon and hydrogen atoms are joined together by sharing of electrons. Whereas an ionic bond, NaCl can be an example of ionic bond because there is an electronegativity difference between them, and the ions which are formed, Na plus and Cl minus, are formed by the transfer of electrons, and this bond is a very strong bond, right? So chemical bond in general is actually the attractive forces between these atoms, molecules, or ions. It is not, in reality, no such line exists that is represented in a bond. For example, if I have to represent CH4, it is represented something like this. So we represent a bond with a straight line, but it is how it is represented. In reality, no such line exists. It just represents the force of attraction that holds these atoms together, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.